Hey everybody, Nature that Walks with On here, out my, coleus garden, and, I just, reweeded it and, pinch technique them, where you just pinch the top off, in case, to make them more bushier instead of leggier, and that looks really good. I hope they'll bush out a little bit more. And maybe they'll bloom again next year, and the, red, caladiums are doing really good too out in the front. Getting bigger and bushier. They all bloom on purple, so I'll be looking forward to that again. And God bless and Jesus loves you all. Love you guys out there. Hope you enjoy.